Is it the right time to make a decision on Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was released on our website on Wednesday, November 29, 2023. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.92. Now, let's delve into how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.65% since we first recommended Nvidia as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.56% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a steady upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, the stock is expected to experience a 5.1% change, with possible returns ranging from -10.00% to 10.56%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 229.34% change, with potential returns between 199.48% and 268.43%. This suggests a price range of $1,441.71 to $1,773.63 after 1 year. The latest update for Nvidia reveals that the stock price ended at $481.40 on Wednesday, with a gain of 0.667%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 29, 2023, the Nvidia stock price increased by 0.667%, going from $478.21 to $481.40. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $478.64 and a high of $487.62, reflecting a 1.88% difference. It's worth noting that the stock price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -3.05% during this period. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by 4 million on the last day, with a total of 35 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $16.79 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $505.48, while the lowest was $138.84. As of now, the current price is 4.76% or $24.08 below the 52-week high of $505.48, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, I want to talk about some recent analyst ratings for Nvidia. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. Also on November 22, 2023, BMO Capital upgraded Nvidia to outperform with a hold action. Another rating came from Wells Fargo, who gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. KeyBank also gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Morgan Stanley rated Nvidia as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Nvidia and analyze its recent signals. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -4.50%. The indications suggest that there may be further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some positive signals that may influence the stock's development in the near short term. The Nvidia stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This means that the short-term average is above the long-term average, giving a general buy signal and a positive forecast for the stock. Looking at potential resistance and support levels, if the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $487.21. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $456.43. It's important to monitor the stock closely because volume fell during the last trading day despite prices increasing. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Keep a close eye on Nvidia. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that can help you make informed investment decisions. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots, on the other hand, indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 6 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 20 days ago. Looking at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we saw a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we find that the short moving average signaled a buy 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. Don't forget to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When analyzing the downside, it's important to note that the stock has found support just below today's level. Specifically, there is significant accumulated volume at $439.38 and $421.96, which provides a cushion for the stock. However, it's crucial to understand that there is always a risk when a stock is testing a support level. If the current support is broken, the stock may potentially fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia has additional support just below today's level at $439.38, followed by $421.96 and $403.26. It's worth considering the volatility and trading volume of this stock. Nvidia typically experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the last day, the stock had a price range of $8.98 between its high and low, representing a 1.88% change. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited daily average volatility of 2.67%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's start by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level we need to watch out for is at $487.16. For those who don't own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $439.38. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a great entry point, with hopes of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 24, 2023, Dabiri John sold 218 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 24, 2023, Stevens Marque sold 280 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 27, 2023, Stevens Marque sold 10,000 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 27, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 317 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 27, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 2,281 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of -12.913. Overall, insiders have purchased 391,576 shares and sold 500,507 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $459.25, which reflects a decrease of 4.6%. This stock displays moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top that occurred 6 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While there are some negative signals and indicators that may impact its short-term development, we believe that this presents a potential buying opportunity in the long run. Our analysis of the recent volatility and market movement suggests that the current price of Nvidia is undervalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, November 30th, we anticipate Nvidia to open with a gain of $1.15, starting at $482.55. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to understand the risks involved. Trading can lead to financial losses, so it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is a source of information, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Ultimately, you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of a particular stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts on this, so please comment below and share your opinions. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you success in your trading endeavors and hopes you have a beautiful day.